This is our factory. Welcome. Everything is here. We're now in Harley. So I want to show you how the water is produced. Here. We break it out to a public. So we have a bottle outside. The bottle is about 150 feet deep. So our water is taken from the bottle to the pulling tank out there, and from the pulling tank we got one coming in here to the production room. So the production room, the water is flow through this pipe to the production room, and then it's coming to this gomola. This gomola is where we have chemicals of potassium and carbon and everything that mix with the water to help purify the water, and then it's sifted through this thing, and the water is turned over to this argo machine reserved for most osmosis. So this machine has 4 membranes. The 4 membranes used to purify the water, remove odor, kill bacteria, germs, and coil off the water. Everything is removed in the 4 membrane. And from here, the water is sent over to this filter. The water is filtered here, and then you see these 2 places. We have the clean water and the wastewater. This wastewater is then sent back outside, which is any water that is dirty. After the machine is finished cleaning the water, the dirty water is now sent from the wasteline and go out as you can see back to the line.